Are you having a hard time finding tubes of grease for your grease gun? Well, like everything else in this world, they've become a hard thing to get. Today I'm going to show you how you can take your traditional grease gun and fill it up with grease from either a drum, keg, or pail. Did you know you could do this? I'm going to show you how. Simply unscrew the top from your traditional grease gun, take the end of it, put it right into your, in this case, a pail of grease. And what you want to do is pull back on that follower plate, and what you're doing is sucking grease right into that tube. As you can see, we are filled up. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down before I put my cap back on. We will screw the cap back on, release your follower plate, and pump. And there you have it. For a full lineup of greases available in drums, kegs, pails, and tubes, head on over to petroleumservicecompany.com.